How to get different shields in Monopoly Go. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Monopoly Go. Now, the only way to get different shields is by completing the events that you get every now and then on the game. Another way to get different shields is to complete the tasks, which can be found on the Quick Wins tab at the bottom left corner of the screen. In other words, just keep playing the games and coming back daily till you get all of the game's shields. So that was it for this video. That's how to get different shields in Monopoly Go. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.